Hello all, welcome to my channel Mademoiselle Pi. Today we will see together the various operations that we can perform on a class. Before we dive into the operations, I would suggest that you have a look into my video that I have created dedicatedly on the class. Without ado, let's jump into the examples. In this example, I have created one class called as Marvel movie. I have passed two parameters like the name of the movie and the actor of the movie. The first object that I have created to create an instance of the class is the name of the movie, that is Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, and the actor is nothing but the Doctor Strange himself, who is also called as Benedict Cumberbatch. I will print the result of this particular string over here where I'm using the object and the property of the class. Similarly, the object M1 and the second property of the class. And we will print the result. The first operation that we will perform on the given class is we will modify the previous object's property. That means we will take the property that is movie actor, and in via the first object I am passing the movie actor as a Benedict, but then in the modification I am going to modify the previous actor to Wanda, and followed with the next result variable wherein we will see how Wanda has performed in the movie. In the output, you will see the first variable, that is result before the modification, is Benedict Cumberbatch. He's been fantastic in the recent movie, that is Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. And in the output of the second variable, after the modification, you will see that the movie actor that I am printing over here is no more Benedict, but it is the new one that I'm passing right here in this line. Hence, in the next, the result, the result of the variable result after, you will see in the output, apart from Benedict Cumberbatch in the same movie, there is also another super actress, that is Wanda. So this is how you can modify the property via the object. The next operation that we will perform is that we will delete one of the property of the same class using the object M1, and I'm just going to remove the comments. And here you will see the syntax is quite simple. We just write del object followed by the property that you would like to delete. And then let's try to print the same property that we will delete it, just to be sure in the output that the property doesn't exist. I'm going to rerun the script and you will see in the output Marvel movie, the class, does not have an attribute called as movie actor because we just deleted here. I will comment out this section again and we will move on to the next example. And the last one, of course, we will delete the object itself. And the syntax is quite simple. We just write down del, the name of the object that you would like to delete, and let's try to print the deleted object, just to be sure that Python will give us an error saying that he cannot find the object. I'm going to rerun the script again, and you will see that Python is throwing an error saying that the object M1 is not defined because we just deleted it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, hit the like button and stay tuned. Thank you.